Hi, my name is David Alon, and I'm part of All Impact team. We are doing safe communication under and during terror events. During terror events, there is a lack of electricity and lack of communication. Both wireless communication, network, and mobile communication are blocked or not working. Not only this, but the existing communication might be known to the enemy. All this when time response is critical. Forces are gathering, secure forces, other forces, each bringing their organic communication devices and network. Wireless communication might be not working when you are going inside deep area of the terror attack. There is a need for a different communication. There is a need to communicate with citizens which are stuck inside the area. There is a need to communicate with group inside the organic forces that are coming. And there is a need to communicate with visitors, like journalists, like other specialists that are coming into the area. Smart Wi-Fi Direct is a new secure network on existing handsets. We are taking or making use of the smartphone of the people inside the area and to connect a tactic wireless radio, one-to-many. We use the smartphone as the communication handset to communicate directly between the forces. It's a mobile application which connects smartphone and create secure groups. We transfer text, we transfer data, and we transfer voice. Smart Wi-Fi Direct is an ad hoc network. As such, it is self-configuring. You can go inside and outside. It is self-healing, which means if it's broken the connection, find a way to overcome it. And it is self-management, which means when there is a load on an area, we find other routes to connect. It's a private network that can be deployed easily, a mesh network, but do not need a stationary infrastructure like a server or a 3G or a 4G. Smart Wi-Fi Direct deliver network with a lot of advantages. Alternative mobile network with advanced capability, secure group and secure communication, mean of quality of service, and blocking of suspicious nodes, smartphones. Recently, in April, we did a provisional patent IP for our solution. And in November this year, chief scientists of Israel have invested Tnufa in our company. All Impact team are built of two members. Emma Greenberg, which is master in computer science with 30 years of experience in application developer, and CTO hands-on in startup. Myself, David Alon, is an industrial engineer from the Technion, with 20 years of business track records and founder and general manager of Olympus Israel. I'm an ex-Paratroop captain in the Israel IDF forces. Thank you.